Electric car basic maintenance. There are 7 pieces of basic maintenance for electric vehicles. Rotate the tires, replace the wiper blades, replace the brake pads, change the brake fluid, coolant flush, replace the air conditioning dessicant, and replace the gas struts. Rotate the tires every 7,000 miles. Many tire shops can do this for free, or it can cost $40. This will take 30 minutes to 1 hour. This can be done at a tire shop, regular mechanic, quick lube, or do it yourself. Replace the wiper blades every year. This will cost between $12 and $24. It will take between 5 and 15 minutes. You can get this done at an auto parts store, regular mechanic, quick lube, or do it yourself. Replace the brake pads every 2 years or when 3 millimeters. This will cost $50 or between $200 and $300. This will take 1 hour. You can get this done at a regular mechanic, quick lube, or do it yourself. Change the brake fluid every 3 years or if dirty, leaking, or smelly. This will cost between $100 and $200. This will take 1 hour. You should get this done at a regular mechanic or quick lube because they have a special machine that makes sure there's no air or water in the brake fluid. Perform a coolant flush every 5 years or 100,000 miles or if dirty, discolored, or leaking. This will cost $36 or $180. This will take 1 hour. You can get this done at a regular mechanic, quick lube, or do it yourself. Replace the air conditioning dessicant every 7 years. The cost is unknown and the amount of time it takes is unknown. You should get this done by a regular mechanic, an AC mechanic, or at the dealership. Replace the gas struts every 7 years or if broken or leaking. What are the gas struts? They are the hydraulics that slowly open your hatchback. Replace the gas struts every 7 years or if broken or leaking. This will cost between $17 and $24. This will take between 30 minutes to 1 hour. This would be best done by a handy person or do it yourself. The total cost for electric car basic maintenance is $497 to $2,792. Over 7 years, that comes out to $71 to $399 per year. It's less expensive to own an electric car. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel.